This tutorial will show you how to import all of your clients from Lacerte or ProSeries into SmartVault. Now when you first create your SmartVault account, you'll have an alphabetized folder structure for all of your clients, but they'll be empty until the data has been imported from the Lacerte or ProSeries. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how that works. The easiest way to import all of your data is by right-clicking on the SmartVault system tray icon that you can find in the system tray on your Windows computer, and you will notice that there's an actions menu and there's a action to import clients. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and so this will connect SmartVault to Lacerte. If you've got ProSeries or DMS installed, you'll be able to pick if you want to import from DMS or ProSeries. It works pretty much the same way, but for this example, we'll go ahead and do Lacerte. So I'm going to go ahead and click the import button, and it will connect to Lacerte and pull up some options that will let me choose how I want to import clients. So I can pick all my clients, do it by client type. Now before we begin, we recommend that you go to Lacerte and make sure for all of your clients that the client name, their first name, last name, and the client contact email address are all set up correctly inside Lacerte or ProSeries. SmartVault will use those email addresses to automatically invite your clients to the SmartVault portal. So it's important that those are set up and accurate in Lacerte or ProSeries before you begin. But let's say we've got all that set up and we're ready to import our clients. So I'm going to go ahead and click the next button. So this shows us all the clients that are available to be imported. I could select all of them, or maybe I only want to pick a few to get started to import into SmartVault. So let's pick a couple of them. Actually, well, I'm going to go ahead and click select all. We'll import everybody into SmartVault and click finish. So this will begin the process of importing everyone. So this is going to import all your clients. For each client, it'll set up their folder structure in SmartVault. It will automatically add their email address. It's not going to send out the invitations to all of your clients until you tell SmartVault to. You'll be in charge of that. I'll show you how that works in just a second. Now another way to import clients, let's say after you do this import, maybe in Lacerte you've added some more clients since you've done the import. You can also import automatically just by printing out tax returns from inside Lacerte. So if we're on a particular client and we go to print the tax return out, let's print the client copy and the government copy, let's say, and we'll go ahead and select to print to SmartVault. I'll click OK. If you print to SmartVault from inside Lacerte and that client has not yet been imported to SmartVault, it will do the import process right then. It'll make sure the client's folder structure has been set up, it'll pull in the client email address and get everything ready for you to invite the client inside SmartVault. So now if we go to the SmartVault portal, you'll see your client folders are all going to be set up, and the folder structure may be different for each client based on the tax type, but you should see something like this. Everything should all be set up for each of your clients. Now the folders are set up, but your client's email addresses are there, but before your client can actually use the portal, you need to invite them to SmartVault, and that's a process that you're in charge of by being able to manage your client invitations in SmartVault. So if you click on your SmartVault account in the tree view on the left hand side, on the right hand side you'll have account tasks. You're either going to have, depending on the version of SmartVault you've got, a manage client invitations task, or there'll be a task on the right hand side at the top that says view dashboard, where you can get to your clients. So when you go to manage the client invitations, you'll see a screen that looks something like this. So you'll see all of your clients here. There'll be a filter that you can use to say how you want to view this. So right now by default we're going to view the clients that haven't been invited yet. So we can see all those clients. You may want to invite them all at once, or you may want to start off with just one or two clients, invite them to SmartVault, make sure everything works the way you want it to, and then invite everybody. But the way it works is you can select all, or just again pick just a couple of clients. You can click on the Invite Clients button, and this will send out an email invitation to each of the clients with an activation link that will let them set up their password and activate their account just like you did originally when you got set up with SmartVault. So that's the way to import all your clients and invite them to SmartVault from the SmartVault portal.